Hello, dear children. Today we are going to learn how to write an essay. It's always been a quite complicated question, and today I'm going to explain to you how to write a for and against essay. So have a look at the screen. Writing for and against essay is not an easy matter. First of all, let us think, what is an essay? An essay is a short piece of writing about a particular subject, especially one written by a student. Well, we can say it's a kind of a composition explaining your thoughts on different ideas on the topic. In English, there are different types of essays. We have already discussed making suggestions essay, where you have to give ideas or make suggestions what can be done about the problem. For example, environmental protection. How can we protect our planet? So you give your ideas, stop polluting air, stop using cars, etc. Also, there is another type of an essay that's for and against essay, where you speak about advantages and disadvantages of the stated problem. Advantages, that means pluses. Disadvantages are minuses of the stated problem. Problem is actually the topic you're going to write about. When we write for and against essay, we should keep in mind a formal language writing. We shouldn't use any short forms. And in this essay, we discuss advantages and disadvantages of the topic. To write a really perfect essay, we should follow a certain plan. First of all, we should make an introduction. We introduce the topic and state the problem. Stating the problem means that you say that there are different points of view on the issue. Some people think that it's a good idea, the others disagree with them. This is the problem. Then we speak about the main body, advantages and disadvantages, and you bring your arguments. Then you make a conclusion. You have to sum up your ideas and to express your personal point of view on the topic. This is another way how the structure looks. Introduction plus stating the problem. You can use these phrases and words to write your own essay. I believe they will be quite useful, so you can just learn them by heart. For example, these days, more and more people think, claim, say, any other synonyms, that, and you give us the name of the topic. Some people agree with them, whereas в то время как the others do not. Look here. I wrote do not. We don't use short forms. Мы не используем краткие формы. Мы не можем написать никак, кроме как do not. Then we speak about the main body. So we make a small introduction words. We use a small introductory words, and we speak about advantages in the first paragraph, explaining and giving your arguments, and about the disadvantages. This is the third paragraph where you give your arguments. Then we make a conclusion, summing up the ideas and expressing your point of view. If you look in your student's book, there is an example of an essay. Is it a good idea to study abroad? Let's have a look at the structure of it. The very beginning is the introduction and the stating of the problem. These days, more and more people are deciding to study abroad. So you introduce the topic you're going to speak about. Then you state the problem. Some people think this is a good idea because it's challenging and life enriching, but others believe it's not particularly beneficial and can cause certain problems. Look here. This is the first paragraph. You see, this is the introduction and stating the problem. Then we come to the next two paragraphs, the main body. In the first paragraph, you express your advantages. In the second, disadvantages. So the last paragraph deals with the conclusion. You sum up the ideas and you express your point of view. While writing an essay, don't forget about the main rules. First of all, the language. Don't use short forms. Try to sound formal and neutral. Use linking words and phrases. This is obligatory, обязательно. You should use, practically in every sentence, all these introductory words and phrases. First of all, this enriches your vocabulary and shows how you know the language and can use it. And secondly, that brings logic to your essay. Essay should be logical. And don't forget about the arguments. They should really be convincing. Убедительные аргументы. So you should convince the reader that you are right, that your ideas are right. Actually, this is all, and I wish you good luck. See you. Bye.